Imagine you're having a serious conversation with ChatGPT, and suddenly, boom, an ad appears. Bro, I came here for answers, not a commercial break. So I built a simple ad blocker for ChatGPT.
What? But you can't do this to me.
You know how much I sacrificed?
First, head over to Natabay and open the Tools section. Then find the ChatGPT ad blocker and hit Download. Once it's downloaded, extract the zip file. Now open Brave, go to Extensions, and turn on Developer Mode. Click Load Unpacked, select the extracted folder, and that's it. The blocker is installed. Now let's test it. With the blocker off, ads can do their thing. But when I switch it on, boom, gone. Now you can use ChatGPT without those annoying interruptions. So if you want a cleaner ChatGPT experience, check out the ChatGPT ad blocker on Natabay. Because ChatGPT should be answering your questions, not giving you a commercial break every 5 minutes.